In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create an AI agent that writes B2B newsletters for you. So this is specifically for business owners, founders, solopreneurs. This is how you can automate the process of writing your newsletters. The best thing about this is it's not going to be built on N8N or Make.com. It's actually going to be built on Agent.ai. This is a professional network for AI agents created by Dharmesh Shah, the founder of HubSpot. So let's go ahead and dive into exactly how this is. Before I show you how to set up the AI agent, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. If you head over to agent.ai or click the link in the description, it's going to take you to my AI agent that will write your newsletters for you. And if you look at Agent AI, you'll see Dre Black Digital. That is the AI agent that I created, the B2B newsletter writer. You can go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you directly to the agent. So it'll bring you to this page, the AI B2B newsletter writer. This newsletter is going to help business professionals craft high conversion newsletters using frameworks from top digital writers, Nicholas Cole and Dickie Bush, and their Ship 30 for 30. This agent is basically built off the frameworks that they teach on their platforms. This AI agent is going to apply an audience first principle by identifying the exact pain points of the exact readers who will be reading the newsletter, and then positioning all the content for the newsletter as solutions. And it's going to build a niche specific message with clear subscriber benefits. And if you implement this, it'll be a scannable formatting. So using bullet points, strategic white space, so it can be easy to read for your users. So to use this AI agent, click on hire. The cool thing about this AI agent is you'll receive it in a Google Doc. It'll be a link at the end of the process, or sent to your email where you can copy and paste that link. First, you're going to put in an email. Then it's going to ask you a second question, which is going to be, please pick a writing voice for your newsletter. So this writing voice is going to be how you want your newsletter to sound. I put examples here for the AI agent, and it's going to be 5 different writing voices. So the Storyteller, so it uses personal or curated stories to emphasize each main point. The Opinionator uses language that emphasizes each main point. And the Fact Presenter uses relevant stats, studies, and data to emphasize each main point. And then Frameworker breaks each main point down into clear steps. And the F-Bomber uses different languages, sarcastic languages, stuff like that. All you have to do is pick one. For example, you could pick the Fact Presenter. And just to let you guys know, this AI agent does have access to the internet. For example, Google News. It can grab links and search the internet for your specific topic, for your specific target audience, which goes into the next thing you will have to give the AI agent to create your newsletter for you. Who is your target audience for your newsletter? For this example, I'm going to put recruiters. And then the last thing that you will have to feed to this AI agent for it to create a newsletter for you is a detailed sentence on the topic of your newsletter. Essentially, what do you want your newsletter to be about? You can put as much information here as you want. I have some examples to give you an idea. It can be one sentence. It can be HubSpot automation blind spots for growth teams. It can be skill stacking strategies for mid-level leaders. It can be vague or very niche down. For example, for recruiters, let's put newsletter topics going to be top AI tools for recruiting professionals. All you have to do is click go. From there, this AI agent is going to create a B2B focused newsletter for you. It will have access to the internet, where it can research Google News and different websites to pull all this information. And once it's finished generating, it will send you a Google Doc URL and email with your newsletter information, where you can access it on a Google Doc and where you can view and edit it. And it pretty much, it's simple as that. This AI agent creates newsletters for you, and it's very high quality. So all you will have to do next is copy and paste this Google Doc. You're going to paste it in your browser, and then it will bring you to your newsletter that I've written for you. So let's go ahead and make sure that we are viewing this properly. Once you're viewing it properly, it'll bring you to this Google Doc where it'll name the newsletter for you. The newsletter is top AI tools for recruiting professionals. It will give you a subject line and a preview subject line. So AI recruiting tools that actually work in 2025. I didn't tell the AI agent what year it was or anything like that. It has access to the internet. It can do all the research for you. So it already knew what year it was. And then latest data on which AI recruiting tools deliver real ROI. According to recent LinkedIn research, 75% of recruiters believe AI will be the #1 force transforming talent acquisition. This is just an example of a format that you can use for your newsletter, and then a sponsor spot where you can put a sponsor. This is all editable. You can edit this and you can swap it out, or you can leave it there. And then diving more into the meat of the actual newsletter, which is try higher score for 30 days. And then 3 key stats every recruiter should know about AI tools. According to Tech Target's 2025 research, AI recruiting tools reduce time by higher on average of 35%. Essentially, it gives you a rating. And then, like I said, this will draft out a newsletter for you. Obviously, it still needs human touch for you to go back in and write. Ultimately, this can speed up the process of you writing your newsletters and help you elevate the amount of content that you're putting out there. If you want to access this newsletter generator, tap the link in the description. And if you are a B2B business owner and you want AI solutions or are interested in AI solutions, click that button below.